Assalamualaikum. It's me Uzma Azam from Healing Therapy. First of all, happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful and strong women out there. Every year we celebrate Women's Day on 8th of March. This day is basically to celebrate being women, to celebrate and appreciate all the remarkable women who has done remarkable jobs in their own fields and their lives. This day aims to aware a woman about herself, her strengths, her weaknesses, her rights, her duties. In short, this day is about celebrating myself as a woman, celebrating my own strengths and weaknesses, awareing myself with my own rights, setting my own goals and aims of life, celebrating my own empowered self, celebrating my remarkable jobs I have done. And the most important point is celebrating and supporting all the amazing and strong women out there in all the things I'm supporting myself for. Because collectively, it is our day. Collectively, it is International Women's Day. On this Women Day, you will see all the amazing women are going to talk about certain topics, are going to talk about self confidence, are going to talk about women empowerment, are going to talk about all the beautiful and amazing things, inshallah. But as a psychologist, I am here to bring your attention towards the most important point for a woman, that is mental health of a woman. Because the first step towards your goal is to have a sound mental health. So today we are going to talk about a very important and interesting point. Look at this circles. We have one small circle on the inner side and another large circle on the outer side. The inner circle represents the things that are in your control. यानी कि वो सारी चीज़ें जो आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, जो आपके बस में है, वो ये इनर सर्कल रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. While the outer larger circle is representing the things that are not in your control. Now just suppose हमारी लाइफ में 90% चीज़ें वो होती हैं जो कि हमने खुद क्रिएट की होती हैं. Whether it is good, whether it is bad, but 90% things are created by us. So if we have created good thing, enjoy it. But if you have created bad thing for you, बजाय regrets करने के learn from it. इस 90% में वो सारी चीज़ें आती हैं जो हमसे रिलेटेड है, जैसे कि पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग, जैसे कि हेल्पिंग अदर्स, जैसे कि इंस्पायरिंग एंड एम्पावरिंग अदर्स बाय बीइंग देयर रोल मॉडल, डूइंग रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, गिविंग टाइम टू योर सेल्फ टॉक एंड सेल्फ हेल्प, knowing yourself, knowing your strengths, knowing your weaknesses, knowing your rights, setting proper goals of life, moving in that direction to achieve it. So ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे अपने कंट्रोल में है. ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं. ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जिसकी रस्सी हमारे हाथ में है. Yes, it happens कि आपके डिसीजन समटाइम्स गलत हो सकते हैं और समटाइम्स ठीक हो सकते हैं. बट रिमेंबर, आपके अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस ही आपको सिखाते हैं. As I said, if you created something good for you, enjoy it. If you created something bad for you, learn from it. Now let's move toward the outer portion of the circle or the large circle. So here lies the 10% things जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, जैसे कि बारिश होना, जैसे कि कोरोना का आना, जैसे कि people bitching about you. So here lies all the things जिसका आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, अलबत्ता हमने उन चीज़ों को रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करना है ये अगेन हमारे हाथ में है. So concluding the topic, the main conclusion is that बजाय उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करने के, उन चीज़ों पे काम करने के, उन चीज़ों के बारे में फ़िक्रमंद होने के, उन चीज़ों से अफेक्ट होने के जिन चीज़ों का कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में ही नहीं है। लेट्स वर्क ऑन द 90% ऑफ आवर लाइफ जो कि हमारे हाथ में है। हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ को हम कैसे अच्छा रख सकते हैं, दैट इज़ इन आवर हैंड। सो until and unless you don't work on your own self, you don't work on your mental health, how will you know yourself? How will you empower yourself? How will you set your goals and move in that direction? So, on this beautiful and amazing day, I want all the women to promise themselves they will work on the things that are in their control rather than focusing on the things that are not in their control. At the end, once again, happy International Women's Day. Thank you so much.